Okay, in example 10, we have this appliance repairman who is going to service 5 washing machines. 1/3 of the service calls require an installation of a particular part. So he has only one of these parts on his truck today. We want to find the probability that one part is going to be enough. So let's take a look at what that is. Okay, so what we really want is the probability that less than 1 or 1 part is going to work. Okay, so 0 or 1. Let's use our binomial table to make this very easy. It is cumulative. So when we look things up on the table, as long as we're looking at a value where x is less than or equal to, we can just look it up on the table and find the answer. All right, so in this case, x is less than or equal to 1. I'm going to pull up my table. And let's notice, here is the case of 5 trials. And if we go over here, these are our probabilities P. We're looking at 1/3 or 0.33 going on forever. All right, and if we look down beside the x value of 1, the probability is 0.4609. So let me write that on our sheet. So this probability is 0.4609. All right, so now we're looking at, oops, I think I made a mistake on that one, but we'll look back here. Let's look at the question again. So part 2, find the minimum number of such parts he should take with him each day in order that the probability that he have enough for, it's not written very well, but in order for him to have at least 95% of things covered, essentially. Okay, so let's go to our chart again and let's find where the probability is at least 95%. So if we go to our chart and we look on here, again, under the 1/3 or 0.33 and in the n equal 5 trials, we can see that it's at least 95% or 0.95 right here when we have at least 3 parts. So let me go back to my little answer sheet. So, and this should have been that the probability is greater than 0.95 when we have x equals 3 parts in the truck. There's a 95% chance that we will have things covered for anybody who needs that particular part.